Is your digital signage a source of stress instead of success? Are you grappling with outdated content, technical glitches, or don't have the time to make it shine? Imagine a world where your digital screens consistently captivate your audience, drive engagement, and boost your bottom line, all completely hands-free. Welcome to the world of managed digital signage by KhazinaDigital. So, what exactly is managed digital signage, and why is it crucial for your business in today's competitive landscape? It's a complete solution. We take care of everything, from designing eye-catching content to selecting the right hardware, installation, and continuous support. It saves you time. Free up your valuable time and resources. No more fumbling with software or content updates. It ensures professionalism. Your screens always look polished and current, reflecting positively on your brand. It drives results. Effectively communicate promotions, information, and branding to influence customer behavior and achieve your business goals. Many businesses struggle with creating fresh, engaging content. What to show? How often should it? With KhazinaDigital, our design experts craft bespoke content that grabs attention, from dynamic promotions to live social media feeds. We keep your message vibrant and relevant. Hardware failures, software glitches, compatibility issues, these can be a nightmare. We provide robust commercial-grade hardware and manage all technical aspects. Installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting are all handled by our experienced team, giving you complete peace of mind. Is your digital signage just there? We develop a tailored strategy to align your screens with your business objectives, whether it's boosting sales, informing customers, or enhancing brand perception. We help you measure the impact and ensure a strong return on your investment. At KhazinaDigital, our managed service is built on 4 core pillars to deliver unparalleled value. 1. Strategic consultation. We start by understanding your business. What are your goals? Who is your audience? We craft a bespoke strategy for maximum impact. 2. Creative content design. Our in-house designers produce stunning, motion-rich content tailored to your brand, ensuring your message is always fresh and captivating. 3. Seamless hardware and installation. From ultra-bright outdoor displays to elegant indoor screens, we supply and professionally install the perfect hardware solution, integrating it flawlessly into your space. 4. Ongoing support and maintenance. Our dedicated UK-based team provides continuous monitoring, updates, and rapid response support, ensuring your digital signage is always running smoothly, 24/7. Real-world impact. We helped lots of UK-based businesses boost their visibility with digital signage displays. Who can benefit from our managed services? Retailers. Drive impulse buys and promote specials. Restaurants and cafes. Dynamic menu boards and daily deals. Hotels and hospitality. Welcome guests. Promote amenities. Provide local info. Corporate offices. Internal communications. Visitor information. Brand messaging. Healthcare facilities, patient information, waiting room entertainment, directional signage. No matter your industry, if you want to communicate effectively, we have a solution for you. Stop letting your digital screens gather dust or create headaches. It's time to harness their true potential. Ready to transform your business with powerful, hassle-free digital communication? Visit the website at www.khazinaDigital.com/consultation. Or call us today for a free consultation. Set it, forget it, and grow with it. That's the KhazinaDigital promise.